In today's tutorial, I will show you where you can find resume templates in Apple Pages. Whenever you turn on the software, you will end up in this old template screen. You can narrow down your template selection by clicking on the theme on the left. So in our case, that's resumes. Click on that, and now we can see only resume templates. As you can see, there are exactly 9 right now prepared by Apple. So let's kick off our project by selecting this business resume over here. Click create, and here we are. We don't need to start from scratch. We can start from this template by customizing it. We got experience, education, skills, everything highlighted here, and you can of course type more, or you can duplicate the selection. So if you want to duplicate the selection, just select this, Command C, Command V. This way you will get a proper color and font size, so you don't need to worry about that. And nowadays at the very top left, usually it's really popular to insert a picture of yourself. So how can we add this kind of container here at the top? We can use shape. So usually it's a circle or some kind of square with rounded corners. I will go with the circle. So if I add a circle and move it here to the top left, I'll be creating a spot for my image. Hold Shift to scale it with the 1:1 proportion. All right, this will do. And now we simply want to, instead of fill color on the right here in the format menu, we want to change fill color into image fill. I will keep the original size of the image, and I will choose the image from my hard drive now. Alright, and here's the image I have selected from my hard drive. We can also add a border color around it. We can match this color with the template. We can make it a bit thicker. And here it is. Alright, so we add an image to match our today's standards. You could say we can now move the name to the center as well. If you need additional section here in this free area, you need to type below this, or you need to create a new text box. To add a text box, you click text, and here it is. It's a bit easier than in similar software from other companies because you can freely move the text box in Apple Pages. So you don't need to make any fake tables to make a nice layout. Here it is. I add a text box. I can place it wherever I like. So this is a big advantage of using Apple Pages. Alright, so that's how to start your resume project in Apple Pages. You can use one of the ready-to-use templates. You can add a shape as your image placeholder, and then whenever you need more text, you can copy existing one or add a text box yourself here at the top. I hope this short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.